Hello everyone, welcome to part 158 of Laravel 9 series in which we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So finally we are going to integrate the PayPal in our Laravel e-commerce website. Okay, so we are going to integrate this PayPal in Laravel 9. Okay, so we are going to install OmniPay Laravel PayPal package for the PayPal integration. Okay, but before that we are going to do some changes with our files. Okay, so we will start working on straight away. Okay, so this is our multi-vendor e-commerce website. I'm going to log in. First of all, I'm going to log in with one of the ID. I'm going to check the ID that I can log in. I'm going to log in with this ID. Okay, so here I'm going to log in into my e-commerce website. Okay, so I am going to add one of the product. Okay, so let me add one of the product here. Okay, so product is now added, and now I'm going to click on proceed to checkout, and here you can see that we have reached the checkout page. Here I will select one of the delivery address, and then I will select the PayPal, and then I have read accept this. I have read accept the terms and condition, and then we'll click on place order. But we are not ready with PayPal yet. We need to do some changes. We need to create the PayPal files, and then we are going to install the package. Okay, and first of all we are going to add the PayPal controller. We are going to create the PayPal controller in which we are going to create all the functions, all the required functions. Okay, and we will make sure that here we are having the PayPal value, and here we have the COD value in the radio button. So this thing also we are going to verify that it is working fine. I'm going to check out the checkout blade file, and here I'm going to check. Okay, so it is fine. You can see the ID is PayPal and value is also PayPal. That is fine. Okay, and here we have already completed the COD. Value was going in COD. Okay, so in the case of cash on delivery it's COD, but in case of PayPal the value is PayPal. Okay, so this is fine, and now I'm going to create the PayPal controller. Okay, so here this is my project folder. I'm going to right click services, new terminate folder. You know how to do in Windows. In Windows you need to go inside the folder, then you can, if you have git bash, then you can right click and git bash here, then you can run your artisan commands. Otherwise you can do with the command prompt as well. Okay, so I'm going to run php artisan, going to create controller, make controller. I'm going to make PayPal controller. Okay, so we have, oh no, we are going to create this PayPal controller inside the front folder. Okay, so remember this thing. Okay, front folder, front, this one like this. Okay, so I'm going to remove the another PayPal controller that we have added. Here I'm going to check where is the app. Here it is, app http controllers, and this one I'm going to remove. This is outside. We have the front for all the front controllers, admin for all the admin controllers. Okay, so inside front we can see that we have the PayPal controller now. Okay, so I can open this controller as well, PayPal controller. Okay, so it is fine, and now see, I'm going to open the products controller, and we'll see what's happening here. Like whenever we will click on place order button, we are going to the checkout form. This is the checkout form. Okay, you can see this is the checkout form, and we are going to the checkout route. Okay, we can see here I am telling you about the flow. We need to check the flow here. Okay, checkout, and that is going to the checkout function that is located in the products controller. Okay, so we have reached now the checkout function. In checkout function we are going to check in the post method. Okay, and we are going to see, like, if the payment gateway is COD, then we will make the payment method as COD and order status as new, and if the payment method is else, we are going to set it as the prepaid as well as the pending. Okay, so that is fine. That is and after that, in the case of PayPal, see here, in the case of COD, we are straight away sending the order email and SMS, but in the case of PayPal we are not going to send the order email and SMS. That we are going to do after the payment confirmation. Okay, but here we are going to send to the PayPal. So here we are going to add the another condition for PayPal. I'm going to do it like this, and here I'm going to add this condition. Okay, one more condition, and here I'm going to do like uh, in the case of PayPal, we are going to redirect it to the PayPal page. Okay, that we are going to create. Okay, so here I am going to write it like this is the case of PayPal. In case of PayPal, redirect user to PayPal page. Okay, after inserting order, after saving order. Okay, so see, order we have already done. Okay, all order we have already saved. Now we are going to redirect the user to the PayPal page. Okay, so here we will add return redirect to PayPal. Okay, and here we are going to write like other prepaid methods will come up. Okay, see, we can use the stripe as well with this package. We can also integrate this stripe with the OmniPay package. So this is really the good package to integrate PayPal, OmniPay, and it is really secure. We can use this package. Otherwise, if you want to use the traditional way of PayPal, like the form in which we build the form, then you can follow the Laravel 8 e-commerce series, that the last Laravel advanced e-commerce series that you can follow. In that I have really clearly explained you about the process. Okay, otherwise you can do this one. So other prepend methods coming soon. Okay, so that is fine. So in case of PayPal, we will redirect to the PayPal, and this route we are going to create this route in the web.php file. Okay, so here we are going to create the route PayPal route get PayPal. Okay, PayPal controller at the rate of PayPal. Okay, so now we are going to create this PayPal function in the newly created PayPal controller. Public function, sorry, this has been created. Here we are going to do it like this. Here we are going to do like this. Okay, here so here we are going to do in the same way. Here it is not required. See, we are going to open the thanks function. See, like we are doing here, we are going to do the same process there as well. Okay, so we are going to do here like first we are going to check the order if session has order ID. Okay, so here we are going to check here like this. Okay, so in this case we are going to return view. We are going to create the blade file under front PayPal. Okay, with compact. Here we are going to add, no, nothing is required. Okay, we can straight away go to the PayPal. Okay, like this, return view, and else see we are going to return the user to the card page. Okay, so it means that thanks page will come once. Okay, sorry, PayPal page will come once here. Okay, so it's fine. Okay, so now see, after this function we are going to create the PayPal blade file. See, this function we have created because if the order ID is actually placed, then only this function can open. Otherwise we will redirect the user to the card page. Okay, so now we are going to create the PayPal blade file. Okay, so we are going to create this file inside resources. Going to do it like this, resources, views. Okay, then it is front. Okay, we are going to make one new folder under front PayPal. Inside this folder I'm going to create the new file, that is the paper.blade.php file. New terminal folder. In Mac, I need to create the file like this, touch paper.blade.php. Otherwise, you can go inside the, if you are in window, you can go inside the folder and can create new file, okay, new notepad file, then you can rename to paper.blade.php. Okay, I'm going to open this one here, paper.blade.php. okay, so here I'm going to copy its layout from some other file like this one, like this. Okay, then I'm going to make the changes. I'm going to make thanks is fine, and here here we are going to write like something, we can ask the user to make payment. Okay, we can write like this, please make payment for your order. Okay, and here we are going to add the form. Here the, here will come home make payment. Okay, or we can simply, yeah, payment is fine. Okay, proceed to payment, we can make it proceed to payment. Okay, like this. Okay, so please make payment for your order, and here we are going to add the form. Okay, uh, so here see, we will add the form like form this form action. We are going to create the route like payment, this one, though we are going to do this later on. Okay, I'm going to make it right now, do it like this. Okay, this form, uh, okay, form action method post, and at the rate of csrf, and inside this we require to add the input type test, name, sorry, yeah, test just for, we are going to make it hidden later on, amount, value, we are going to add the value, we are having the value in session. Okay, so we can pick that value, like we will get the value like this one. Okay, in session here also, so we can simply pick it and round off this value. Okay, uh, see here we are going to add this value, I'm going to round off as well with 2 decimal places. We're going to do it like this. Okay, and one more thing we are going to do, see, for PayPal, I'm going to convert my currency INR to USD. Okay, so here you can see we have the currency in rupees. So see, PayPal accept USD, GBP, all other major currencies, but not INR in India. Okay, so we are going to convert it to USD so that it will work for the world. Okay, so USD is the global currency. So we are going to convert it to USD. So I am going to convert it to Indian, I'm going to convert this Indian currency to USD. So see, whatever the amount is here, the amount is 1200, so we are going to divide it by 80 rupees. So 80, see, I'm going to check the USD to INR. Okay, and it's like 82. Okay, I'm going to divide it by 82. Okay, so I'm going to do it uh, I'm going to divide this one by 80. Okay, then comma 2. Okay, I'm going to do it like this, and after that I'm going to add the pay now button. Okay, pay now, I'm going to add, I will search for PayPal pay now button, like PayPal image button. See, still PayPal, we need to integrate the package, just we are making the view right now. Okay, still we need to start up with the package. This is just the view, we are just making the view. Okay, we are just accepting the order and making the view. Okay, so here this one we are going to copy, and this one we are going to use in source. Okay, so here you can see the image source. So we can use this source here, this one. Okay, I'm going to undo and we'll use this source input type image. Okay, name is not required here. I am going to put the source, this one. Okay, so now after this we are going to add alt also. See, nothing is required. Okay, so input type, it's fine. Make sure, see, this one is input. Okay, so this is the paper form is ready. Okay, so we are going to check once, and here also, like in thanks, we are, so nothing is required. Okay, so now we are going to check once. Okay, so let's see, like if I'm going to click on now place order, so the order will get placed with the prepaid option and with the PayPal option. Okay, so let's see, place order, your order has been placed successfully, your order number is 28. So this is not the page, this goes to the thanks page. Okay, so there is some issue. We are going to see here once again in checkout file about the options, and also we need to make sure here, like in the case of COD it's fine, in the case of C here the wrong issue paper. Okay, in the case of PayPal we will go to the redact PayPal. Okay, so we are going to try once again. I'm going to see here, large, add to card. Okay, view card. Okay, so please proceed to checkout, and here we are going to select one of the delivery address, then PayPal, then place order. So this time we are going to the PayPal. Okay, so that's fine now. Okay, so here we are required to add the session in PayPal controller, use session. Okay, so now we are going to try. See, this time it is coming, please make payment for your order. Okay, so here is some issue in paper blade file. We are going to see what is the issue exactly. Here we forgot this one. Okay, so now it will be fine, I think. And okay, so value, see, we have converted that 1200 amount, whatever amount we have converted to the USD. Okay, from INR to USD, so it's fine. We are going to make it hidden as well, so it will look like this. Okay, I'm going to refresh it. Please make payment for your order, checkout with PayPal. Okay, so our page is also ready. So now we are ready to install the package. So but before installing the package we need to do one thing, we need to create the PayPal Sandbox account. Okay, so we need to make sure that we have the account ready from PayPal Sandbox. So we will open developer.paypal.com website. Okay, so if you don't have the PayPal account, then please make it. Okay, please create the business account for the PayPal. Okay, so here we can log into dashboard, and if you don't have any account then sign up, but if you are already having account, then you are good to go. Okay, so I am already having the account, so I can log in, otherwise you can sign up and create your the create business account. See, in the earlier series I have shown you that how to create the business account. If you have any issue you can surely contact me, give me in comments, I will share the video in which I have created the business account. Okay, so I'm not going to create it again, just you need to follow these steps and you can easily create the business account. Okay, so I'm going to log in here. Okay, and then going to going to create the Sandbox PayPal account for, and going to create the PayPal app in which I will get the credentials for the app. Okay, so I'm going to log in it like this. So I will check here. So here you can see you are in Sandbox mode, it's coming here. Okay, so I will go to the apps and credentials. I will create the new app. Here you can see this tech developers is already there. Okay, so I can click on this one and see, see here I am already uh, having the credentials. Okay, for the account I'm going to use that, but you can also create the new one, like create app. You can click on create app, and give and you can create the merchant account from here. Like if I will create app name like sidemakers.in, okay, with the merchant like this, and I can create any here. I can just select any, okay, and then see special character. Okay, it is saying our special character. Then I can click on create app to create the new PayPal app. Okay, so these are a few of the simple steps that I can take. Okay, then just click on create app, then a new app will also get created. It will take few seconds and you can see the new app has been created. Okay, so we can use this as well. Okay, so we can just click on show, and here the client id and secret that we are going to use. Okay, we are going to add this client id and secret as well as the PayPal currency in the .env. Okay, here .env, here we are going to add this one that we are going to use later on. We are going to add here PayPal client id. See, this is the client id. I'm going to copy this one, paste here, and after that PayPal secret, PayPal client secret. Okay, so this one I'm going to add it as well. See, we will not give any space here. Okay, make sure that we are not giving any space. Okay, PayPal client id and PayPal client secret is here. I'm going to copy this secret as well. Fine, and also we are going to add here PayPal currency. Okay, PayPal underscore currency. I'm going to add the currency as well as USD. Okay, so these are the credentials that we need to add. So we will continue in the next video as well. We are going to use this package for the PayPal integration. Okay, so we will continue in the next video, so please stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a